Checking the body panels now. Brakes and wheels are intact. Undercarriage looks solid. Let's check the inside. The seats are completely torn and dusty. Very rough condition. Steering wheel feels intact, no major damage. Windshield is completely shattered, dangerous. Seats are dirty but structurally sound. Dashboard and pedals look functional. Let's get a closer look at this engine. The rust has spread to the block and hoses. Closing it up now.
Hey, I need a lifter. The Bugatti's wrecked.
Yeah, the front's smashed. Can you get here soon?
Good. See you in 20.
Gates open, bring the lifter in. Position it next to the Bugatti. Copy that, moving in.
All right, time to get this useless V12 out. Setting it down.
Pressing the new screen into place. Sealing the edges now. Almost finished. Old cover off, new one going on. Fitting the new leather. Looks good. Now for the second seat. Applying the pre-wash foam now. This will loosen all the dirt. We'll let it dwell for a few minutes. All right, car is dry. Moving it to the paint booth now. Careful with the wet floor. Into booth, ready for paint.
All right, first one is in. Perfect fit. Tightening the seat mounting nuts. Now for the driver's side. All secure now.
Just finishing up the steering wheel. Cleaning the center hub now. And the dashboard is next. All right, let's get this beauty outside. Closing the door now. Perfect condition under the sunlight.